Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut on PC. And in this video, I will show you how to log in successfully to your CapCut on PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on sign in. And this is going to pop up right here. You have different ways by which you can use to sign in. You can sign in with TikTok. You can use QR code. You can sign in with Facebook. Or better still, you can sign in with your Google account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in with my Google account right here. So go ahead and click on sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on continue with your Google account. Click on continue. Go ahead and click on open CapCut. Sign in successful. So we want to make sure we minimize. And just like so, we have fully signing into our account on our PC. Next thing we want to do, we can click on create project and start explore different tools available for CapCut on PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.